Alright, welcome back to my kitchen. So right now we're doing the fillers. So giving some tips how to put the fillers. Already cut this one, right, for the upper cabinet. So what you do is, what I usually do on my fillers, I usually go in just about 1 centimeter in. I don't really usually flush it out like this, right? I usually go in further in like that. Alright, let's do this one. I use number 6 of screws. You can use either finishing nails, but I like using the screws. That way it can pull it back nice and tight, right? See, as you can see, nice and tight. Alright, so same thing on the base cabinet. When I do my fillers, I'll set it up my filler just like that, not out, but a little bit in. Alright. Okay, so right now we finished all the cabinet, the upper cabinet. So right now we're gonna start doing the crown. It doesn't show here, but right above this cabinets. This one here. So first we're gonna be using this one as a riser, and then the crown. So this one here, it's going up on this side. I'm gonna start on this side first because I always try to start where the long piece and then the shorter piece after. So this side, I'm gonna start this one first. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so I already cut it to 22.5. Alright, so 22.5. So from here, my riser, I usually set it up to 1/4 of inch from the box frame. for this top corner right up here, which is that one, we're gonna set it up to 22.5 for the angle. It's my last one. So forgot to video. I finished this just now. The crown. So now that's my last piece.